Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to set up a subscription product on Selar. This feature is available on any of Selar's plans, so whether you're using the free, the pro or turbo plans, you can create a subscription product. To set up a subscription product, what you want to do is to navigate to the hamburger icon on the top right to the left, go to product and click on add product. Next thing you want to do is to select subscription and click on next. So first thing, you need to add a product image and name your product, so I'll quickly do that. Okay, so now I have uploaded the image and named my product subscription test. The next thing you want to do is to add in your product description, and you can be really creative in this section. You can make it bold, you can select different headings, make it normal. You can use the bold, italic, underline option. You can also embed links in your text. Also, you can strike out your text. You can add images. You can embed YouTube videos. I just pasted the YouTube video URL right here. Click on save. And there are so many things you can do in the description section. Just play around with it and see what you come up with. So once you are done with that, you want to make sure that your product type is subscription. Next thing is to set up your subscription intervals or tiers. So this is how the subscription intervals or tier looks like. So now in the tier section, this is where you get to decide on the subscription interval. That is, will customers be billed weekly, monthly, quarterly, biannually, yearly, or ever set up a custom interval. If your subscription is going to be a monthly subscription, just select the monthly option. However, if your subscription is going to be every 2 weeks, that is, want to charge your customers bi-weekly, what you want to do is to use the custom interval option, and then you see another option that says custom interval. You want to select week, and another option that says custom interval, you want to say 2 weeks, because we want to be charging our customers every 2 weeks. So we want their subscription to renew every 2 weeks. So now once you set up the interval, next is to set a recurring amount you want to bill your customers. So here we are going to say, let's say every 2 weeks we want them to be paying 100,000. Okay, and I'll put in the dollar equivalent here. So in my store, I've set it up to manually add my price in Naira and USD. This might be different for you, so you need to set this up in your store settings, and we created a detailed video on how you can set up your store currencies in the how to set up your Selar store video, so you can go check it out if this is something you would like to know more about. So now the next thing to do is to decide the number of times the customer will be charged after their first payment. So if your subscription program has no end, like not like it doesn't have an end, if it has no limit, so if it has to keep going on indefinitely for every 2 weeks, then you want to leave this number of times the customer will be charged after their first payment set to 0. So you can see here that says set 0 if you want the customer to be charged continuously until they decide to cancel. So if that is what you want, you leave it set to 0. But if your subscription program or product actually has an end, maybe it's going to end in 10 months time, then you need to set the number of times to 9. But we're just going to leave it to 0 because this is a continuous payment until the subscriber decides to cancel on their own. Please note that when you set the number of times customer will be charged after their first payment to 0, and a customer connects their card, and after the first payment they can always disconnect their card before the next billing cycle is complete if they are no longer interested in the subscription plan. You can also manage your subscriptions directly from your dashboard. Also, we try to charge customers 3 times when their next billing cycle is due. Whenever we try to charge a customer and it fails, we send an email notification to both you, the merchant, and the customer that the charge failed with a reason why. For example, it could be insufficient funds, card expired, or card declined. That way you are both aware. When we try charging the card for the first time and it fails, we try again a day after and 2 days after. So now once you set this up, the next you want to select the category of your subscription, so you can select whatever category it falls into here. So I'll just say trainings, and then you can go ahead to create this product. Now, before creating the product, if you would like customers to be automatically redirected to a WhatsApp group, a Telegram group, or a Facebook group, then you have to select the automatically redirect buyers to an external URL after a purchase. You want to make sure this is checked, and here you can provide the WhatsApp, Facebook, or Telegram group URL. Then you can now go ahead to create this product. So I'll just click on create, and once the product is created, you can now share the product link. Here's the product link with your customers. You can use it to run all of your ads. Paste the link wherever you want to promote this product. All you just have to do is to copy the link, or you just open the link and copy it so you can share. So this is how to set up a subscription plan on Selar.